English Step by Step, How to Use a and the, Step 8. In this video, you'll find a practice exercise on using a and the, and in using articles. So make sure you watch the Step 7 video, in which you'll find examples with explanations. And you can find other videos in this series in which I give more examples and more explanations. So please check those. So here's the practice exercise. 11 sentences with 11 gaps. Fill in the gaps with the words on the right. Use the definite article or zero article. So here you have the words UK, Galapagos, Mount Everest, etc. So look at the sentences, which word fits the gaps, and decide, do you need the or no article? So I'll leave this exercise on the screen for 1 minute. If you need more time, you can pause the video and then move on to the next video to find the answers. You'll find the answers in the Step 9 video.